Right, what's up guys, welcome back to Dev Tech YouTube channel. In this video I want to show you how you can earn 5% from MTN through savings. And when you're doing these savings, you're going to get some interest, as well as you're going to be eligible for loans. Guys, it is really bad to get loans at times, but these things are really good. They can help you for any emergency. Like before you get money, they can help you and you can get money through them when you're waiting for either your salary or money from other places. Then also it is good if you're having any business that you can do, so you can get these loans and use them for your businesses. Guys, let's see how we can do it. I'm going to display the screen here as I explain how everything is done through MTN savings and earn some interest. Without further ado, let's get started with our video. Right, you come to our dialing pad here. Then now we dial *165*5*4#. This is to go directly to the service that we need, but we can still follow the procedure where we dial *165*5#. Then we select the line that we want to use. MTN is what we are using. Now from here we are going to select one option from all these 7 and more options, where we have more cash, then we have smartphones, MoMo advance, more pesa, more sente, extra cash, Xenon, then other buttons. Guys, I have more videos where I talked about most of these savings and loans services. In case you want to get a loan, please check the videos that are recorded about all these loan services in MTN mobile money. Now from here we are going to select option 4, which is more pesa, because we want to use more pesa to earn some interest from it. Now after selecting here, we have some 4 options as well, where it has loans, then savings, it has product information, then it has terms and conditions. Guys, if you have not yet accepted the terms and conditions, please accept the terms and conditions so that it brings you to this area. Me, I have already accepted the terms and conditions. That's why you're seeing that I am coming here without being asked to enter my password. Now from here we need to check other things. As I always say that if you want to do savings or to get loans, remember first of all to check on the terms and conditions. So we are going to come and click on 4 and we check on terms and conditions, but of course they don't give you these terms and conditions on message, because it is a long thing that you need to read and understand about both savings and loans from MoPesa. Now here it has given us a pop-up that please read the terms and conditions of MoPesa at www.mtn.co.ug/MoPesa. So you can copy that, go to your web browser and read everything about MoPesa, both savings and loans, terms and conditions. So now we are going directly to our service where we need MoPesa savings. Now when you come here, we are going to also check another option before we go far, is number 3, to check on the product information. So we are going to come here, then we select, then here it has the product information where it gives you about the loans or savings, but all we need here is all about savings. As in this video we are talking about MTN MoPesa savings. If you want to know about MTN MoPesa loans, please check the videos that are recorded about MoPesa loans in this YouTube channel. Now from here we are going to select option number 2, which is savings. Then from here it says that save with MoPesa to earn up to 5% per annum on your savings balance as you grow your limit. That is what I said from the beginning, that you're going to save with MoPesa or MTN savings services, as well as increasing on your or growing your loan limit, and that is what they are saying it here. Now with MoPesa, all your savings will be paid after annum, per annum. It means for a year. Now when you save for 1 year, you're going to get 5%. Now you may say that money is small, but if you come here, some of you save money in banks, save money maybe in the garden, save money in anywhere that you know you're saving money. So if you come here, maybe you save even 4 million or 5 million or 3 million. So let's go with only 1 million, where we are going to put 5%. That is it. Then now here we are going to put times maybe 1 million that you have saved, so that is 50,000. If you save money in the box where it is not growing, then this is the right place for you to do your savings. Yes, it is small, but it helps you to get some money after some period. Now let's go back to our dialing pad here, then we check on how you can now do the savings. Now from here we are going to select number 2 and directly, because I've already shown you number 4 and number 3. Then number 1 I showed you in my old video about MoPesa loan services. If you need to anything about it, please leave it in the comment section, then I will show you in the next video. Now we are going to select option 2 about savings. Then now here it says you can deposit, withdraw, check balance, mini statement, or to close account. Guys, if your savings with MTN MoPesa, anytime you can withdraw your money. It is not where you save and you cannot withdraw your money. You can withdraw your money. Now if you want to deposit, you're going to select option number 1. Then if you want to withdraw, you're going to select option number 2. Now if you want to withdraw or deposit, you're going to select option number 1. Then here you're going to enter the amount that you want to save. Maybe if I say 1,000, then you click on go. Now if you enter your password here, then automatically it is going to transfer your money from your MTN mobile money to your MTN MoPesa account, where you're going to start earning your interest directly. So that is how simple it is to deposit money in MTN MoPesa savings. Now we are going to check on how you can withdraw. To withdraw, it is also simple. Everything that you do here, it is free of charge. You're not going to be charged for maybe deposit or withdraw. No charges will be applied. Now if you want to withdraw, you select option number 2, then you enter the amount that you want to withdraw. For example, maybe 1,000, then you enter your mobile money pin here, and that money will be transferred from MTN MoPesa account directly to your mobile money at free of charge. As I have said, here there are no taxes that you're going to get. Now if you want to check what you have saved, you're going to come and select option number 3 to check balance. Then here you're going to enter your MTN mobile money pin. Then after here, now you can see your MoPesa account balance is UGX 5.0. So this is what I was trying. I tried to save, then I tried to make a withdraw if I can receive it without being charged, or they will not allow me to withdraw, or they will charge some money. So everything that I am telling you here is what I have tried, and I wasn't charged for anything that I was doing in MTN MoPesa savings service. Now to check your mini statement, the statement is like the withdrawals, the deposit, or your earnings. You're going to come and select option number 4, then you click on send. This one is not accepting to show us what we have in our account. Now guys, I think that is where I'm going to end here, because option 5 is all about closing the account in case you want to close account. But me, I don't want to close my account. That is all I wanted to show you. Right guys, that is a step-by-step how you can get started. So you can follow up all that steps and get started with MTN savings and earn interest. And when you're earning interest, or when you're saving with this service, you're going to as well increase on your chances of starting to get loans, and also to increase your loan limit from where it is currently. Guys, that is where I'm ending with this video. Please, if you're new in this YouTube channel, don't forget to click on the subscription button, liking this video, sharing it, and as well don't forget to leave a comment. Let's meet in the next coming video.